In this video, I'm going to be letting you know why people do not like your clothes, do not like your ready-to-wear designs, and will not buy from you. Don't go anywhere, watch the video to the end, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. I'll do well to respond to them. The number one reason why people would not buy your clothes or your ready to wear is because of your designs. This is the most common reason. It had happened to me. I was producing clothes and feeling so fly that my clothes were so beautiful and people would love it. They would do well. I spent money, paid a makeup artist, paid a stylist, went to a studio, paid a professional photographer, created a lookbook, and was beating my chest that these clothes will sell out, and nobody bought. Why didn't they buy? Because of the designs. But that was before. Now it cannot happen again. Come 7th of September, I have a special class outside of YouTube where I'm going to be teaching you how to come up with designs that will sell out. How to know the designs that when customers see them, they will rush it such that the demand will be more than the supply. It's a skill, it's a technique. I know this, and so many succeeding ready-to-wear brand knows this. So in that class, I'm going to be exposing to you how you too can come up with best-selling designs that will always sell out. Click the link right now, pinned in the comment section or in the description box, that will take you to Seller where you can sign up for that class. That class is called the Sold Out Rack class. It starts on the 7th of September. One more time. For the first 10 people who register for this class, they are going to be paying a 50% discounted fee of 5,800 naira. And those who register later will pay 11,600 naira. You lose, you lose. So, as I was saying, your design would be the issue. Most likely your design before anything else. Out of 80% of people who complain about their ready-to-wear not selling, their ready-to-wear clothes not selling, design is always the problem. It's either you're creating outdated designs or you're creating designs that do not align with your target audience. What do I mean by this? So you're targeting audience of over 50 years old, and you know that these women have had children, you know that these women are currently aging, you know that these women have some reservation about certain parts of their bodies now, and yet you are making mini skirts or you're making sleeveless outfits for them. African women of this age range would likely not buy those clothes. They don't want to show their arms. They tell you they have Christian mother arms, flappy biceps. They want to hide it. Okay, they are no longer showing their legs. They want to hide it, and then you make clothes that are above the knee, shorter than they expect that they would want to rock. You know, they are not going to buy these clothes. So check your design. It's likely the problem. Or you have an audience who love trend. They love trendy things. They want to wear what others are wearing currently, and then you're trying to force down classic pieces down their throats. It might be very slow. Your sales might be very slow, or you might have no sales at all. So if your audience like trendy things, please follow the trend. Create what others are wearing right now. You can see what I'm wearing right now is a lounge wear. It's like a pajama inspired lounge wear. I can wear it out. I can wear it to the movies. I have clients who buy this and wear to work on a Monday. If you don't know that your audience wants to wear a pajama inspired loungewear and you don't create it, they will not buy from you, and you'll be thinking something is wrong with you. My sister, nothing is wrong with you. Just sign up for the Sold Out Rack class and you will learn how we know these things that always sell. You might also be suffering from lack of varieties, okay? Maybe you're offering them a limited range of colors. You know, there are some people that tell you they only create designs in black and white, right? I remember I saw a brand on Instagram that is niche down there. They only make black and white outfits. Now, I'm not saying they are not selling, no, but if you don't have an audience that love black and white, strictly black and white, by the time they buy one or two pieces, they might likely not be coming back to you anymore because they want colors. They want vibrant, lovely colors. Right now, a lot of people are wearing lemon. A lot of people are wearing, you know, burnt orange. They want those kind of trendy, cute colors. And you're trying to tie them down to black and white. Are you going to be selling lots of pieces? No. So offer your audience a variety and they're likely going to buy more from you. Price versus value. If your products are overpriced and do not match the value you're offering, people are not going to buy from you. Let me sound like a Proco doctor. Sister Nkechi, are you going to go and buy cheap fabrics that are going to be fading and running colors? Yes, you want to use that cheap fabric to produce a boo that you sell 150,000. Hello, is your price matching your value? No, these people will hate your product. They are not going to buy it. If they made the mistake of buying once, they will not buy again, and they will go around telling everybody else not to buy from you. Another reason why they may not be buying from you, even though it looks like your price and your value are kind of a par, might be your competitors. Your competitors might be offering them a better quality or style and at a better price. So instead of buying from you, they'll rather buy from your competitors. Product performance. If your clothes are not durable, they will not buy from you. If after one wash, the clothes are already tearing, your stitches are already ripping, your clients will not come back anymore to do business with you, and they will spread the news to their friends and family not to buy clothes from you.
I should add that product performance also includes the reaction or admiration of people to the outfits. Do they have a wow when they step into a building? Do they turn necks when they step into a building? Do people look at them and say, oh my God, you always wear nice things? It boosts their self-esteem. This is also product performance.
Comfort issues. Do you make clothes that nobody can sit comfortably in or nobody can stand up in? I know your mind is going to corset. Don't worry, the people that choose to wear corset have decided that they want the discomfort. They say they want to choke, they don't want to breathe. I'm not talking about corsets here, right? I'm talking about clothes that people expect to be comfortable in, right? And then they buy from you and the arm is so tight that they can't move their hands, or it's so tight that they can't sit down comfortably, they can't zip the dress, or after zipping, because of how uncomfortable or tight or stiff your fabric or dress is, the zip is bulging. People don't want that, so they are not going to come back to do business with you, and they will hate your clothes and never want to wear them again. This brings me to the next point: fit and sizing issues. I know, because it's a ready-to-wear brand, we are all working with the standard measurement, and yes, there's every possibility that you will not have 100% fit, right? Out of 10 clients, you won't have 10 over 10 of your clients saying this dress fits perfectly, because you're using a standard body measurement and people vary, okay? Some people have bigger hips, some people have smaller hips, some people have thicker busts, some people have thicker waists. It's always going to vary like that. So you will likely have 1 or 2 fit issues out of 10, okay? But once you're experiencing a 3 over 10, 2 over 10, which means out of 10 people, only 3 people are comfortable in their clothes, the fit is right, and out of 10, 7 are complaining about fit issues, you need to pay attention to your feet. Else, you're going to lose those clients and they will tell others not to buy from you. Why do you think that some of your favorite ready-to-wear brands are switching from fitted garments to loose fits? Some of them are calling it easy fashion, easy to wear. Why? Because they want to do boo-boo. They don't want headache. They want to do kaftans. They don't want stress. They want to do palazzo trouser with elastic in the waist, because they are trying to solve fit issues so that more people can buy and feel comfortable in their clothes without worrying about fit. This is a strategy. If you did not know now. It's not that some of them want to do boo-boo, but they just want to do ready to wear that will fit almost anyone without complaint. The next point is customer service and shopping experience. If you want to sell online, do you have someone, a sales representative online on standby to respond to your clients? Or you're going to make them pile up, asking questions, looking for feedback, trying to confirm payments and all that, and nobody's responding to them? That's a very, very tacky customer service experience, and these people will not want to come back. Or if you respond to them, you're very harsh and very rude, and you say stuff like no refund, no exchange, no returns, no give your customers a break. They are human beings. They are trying to get to know you, and they are trying to get to understand your brand or love your brand, so make it easy for them. Another reason why they might not want to patronize you is poor shipping experience or delay in delivery, okay? If in your policy you had said that you're going to deliver your product between 2 to 3 days, please stick to 2 to 3 days. If it's going to take you 10 working days or 15 working days to deliver this product, please stick to that timeline, because People have plans and they might not communicate these plans to you, but by the time they organize themselves and work with their plan and feel that you're going to keep to your words and you don't, and you disappoint them, sometimes it's so painful they might never forgive you. That's the truth. Brand perception. If your brand does not have a clear identity and that brand does not resonate with your target audience, the way they perceive your brand, sits well with them, you're not going to sell to the people you expect to sell your product to. So this also is going to call your attention to the fact that you should be careful who your models are, who your influencers are. For example, you want to sell a plus size outfit and you go get a thick lady who everybody knows has obviously done a BBL. It might be kind of offensive to your plus size community, who doesn't have a perfect body, in quotes, who understands that they have loose skins hanging here and there and don't have the perfect hourglass shape. It might be offensive to them because you're trying to sell to us, but you're bringing a very perfect sissy with her flat tummy and all. So be careful how your brand is perceived or seen by your target audience, else they will not buy from you. Target market mismatch. Let me give you people one story. I went on Facebook after years away from Facebook. I have been running my ads and selling my products on Instagram. And I went on Facebook and I did my audience targeting, which I thought I got right. And then I ran my ad targeting a set of people. Guys, I had this outfit for I think 55,000 a piece or 53,000 a piece, and this outfit was my best selling outfit on Instagram, especially to my Abuja clients. Okay, and on Facebook I ran the ads thinking it was going to perform as well as it did on Instagram, but you won't believe it, these people abused the living daylight out of me. Some of them said the cloth was not good enough. They went on to abuse the model, which of course was myself, saying the model and the clothes they said a lot of terrible things about an outfit which to another set of people was a bestseller. They loved it, they paid the price. Nobody priced me, but to this other audience, they thought it was overpriced, they thought the model was ugly, they thought the dress was ugly, they thought the brand was there to extort people. Wrong audience, people, wrong audience. Don't let that happen to you. One way you can identify and fix this problem is by customer feedback. These people are going to come back to you and let you know when they are happy with your product, and they are also going to come back to you and let you know when they are unpleased or unhappy or displeased with your product. Listen to them, ask questions, be very sure you understand what they are trying to communicate. For example, this morning, a skirt we had sent out to the UK to one of our clients who told us she was a size 10, UK 10 up and UK 12 down. She sent us a feedback telling us that the skirt didn't fit. And I thought, why? It's supposed to, because we produced it in a UK 12, okay? But she said it didn't fit, Now that is the feedback. This feedback is going to draw our attention to the fact that we have to go back to our size chart and be sure that what we have on our chart is actually a UK 12. And also, it's drawing attention to the fact that it's possible that our audience, our customer, do not also know their correct UK size, okay? So if we were correct in producing a UK 12 and she said it doesn't fit, it's possible she might have been a 14 or even a 16. You never can tell. I have never met her in person. She shopped online. So this is also calling our attention to the fact that we might have to make a video where we teach our clients how to take their accurate body measurements and compare the measurement to our size chart so that what we send to them is the right fit. That is an example. If you do not listen to your audience, you will not know where you might be having problems and how to fix those problems. Another way you can solve this is by product testing. Guys, test your product. If you work with Ankara, Adire, and all these prints, make sure you test that it doesn't run. Also, test how it shrinks after wash or when exposed to heat. It's very important. Also, test your fit in-house before you send your product out there. Have a size 12 model, a size 10 model, and all the sizes you produce. Have models who will come in to test the fit so that you're sure that the product you're sending out there do not have any problem. Also, ensure quality control is in place. Make sure you check the quality of all the products that are leaving your factory before they get to your end user. This is very important because you as a business owner might be doing everything possible to make sure that you are giving your customer top quality, high standard goods, right? But if the people who are working with you are negligent in one way or the other and you are not there to see or check it, then it will give your brand a negative image or name. Okay, so make sure you're very strict with your quality control. If possible, have two persons check quality. After quality have been checked by stage A, you get to stage B where they do the final quality check, so that you do not have issues with zip ripping or buttons falling off or stitches ripping, because of one issue or challenge or the other. Okay, you fix the problem in-house before it goes out. If you've watched this video up to this point, good job and well done. Don't forget to leave a comment, and if you'd like to join the Pendrelite community, you can subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. Bye.